Hi, don't worry, this isn't another video on my burglar alarm. It's just to see whether I can actually get the screen to display. I've tried using a very strong spotlight behind me, so here goes. Right, that seems to be working. A password. Yep. Going off. Yep. Right, A, already armed. D, disarm with password. Yep. C to change. 1 to change the password. 1, 2, 3, 4. New password A, B, C, D, and again A, B, C, D. Password changed. Right, now choose alarm sound. Just want to see whether people can read that. 0 rat, 1 growling, 2 mouse, 3 dogs, 4 machine gun, 5 bugle, 6 pulse, 7 klaxon, 8 siren 1, 9 siren 2. Right, okay. A to play. Right, and then change password A, B, C, D. Back, arm, A, B, C, D. Right. I wish it would stop. Right, disarm, A, B, C, D. Right. Quit, A, B, C, D. There. I was just wanting to demonstrate that you can show your LCD better and how scrolling works.